MSNBC did an entire discussion on, are these protests with these gun-wielding freaks, are they racist?
A man at a pro-healthcare reform rally just outside wore a semi-automatic assault rifle on his shoulder and a pistol on his hip. People feel like, yes, there are Second Amendment rights for sure, but also there are questions about whether this has racial overtones. I mean, here you have a man of color in the presidency and white people showing up with guns strapped to their waists.
Does everybody here know what happened with that photo where they cut the head off? That was an African-American gentleman. That, my friends, is not media bias. That is contempt for the American people.